Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today we are going to learn about one of the most powerful and popular microcontroller board for electronics project, the ESP32 module. If you want to build Wi-Fi project, Bluetooth device, robots, home automation system or IoT project, then ESP32 is one of the best choice. In this video, I will explain about what is ESP32, why it is popular, the main features of ESP32 module, applications, and pin configuration. So these are the 5 points which I discuss in this video. Starting from the first point, what is ESP32? ESP32 is a low cost and powerful microcontroller developed by Apresys system. It is specially designed for modern electronics and IoT project. The biggest advantage of this ESP32 is that it has built-in Wi-Fi, built-in Bluetooth, it has fast processor, it has many GPIO pins. GPIO stands for General Purpose Input Output Pins, and it consumes very low power. It runs on low power. This means with one small board, you can create project without adding extra Wi-Fi modules. It is an upgrade version of older ESP8266 module. Our second topic is why it is popular. Why it is popular. ESP32 is very famous among students, engineers and hobbyists because it has built-in Wi-Fi. It support Bluetooth. Here you can see it has fast processor. It has more pins as compared to other modules, and it is low cost. The main feature of this ESP32 module is we can easily program this module. Let's discuss the third point. What are the main features of this module? Main features. Main features. The main feature of this module is that it has dual core processor. It has Bluetooth plus Wi-Fi connectivity. It has analog to digital converter pins and digital to analog converter pins. It supports PWM for motor and LEDs. One of the best feature of this module is deep sleep mode for battery saving. Means when it is connected, it is off, it goes to deep sleep mode and it consumes very low power. Because of these feature, ESP32 is used in advanced embedded system. Let's discuss the fourth point, which is application of this module. We use ESP32 module in smart home automation, weather system, weather station, sorry, smart dustbin, smart farming, and IoT sensor monitoring. If you are beginner, ESP32 gives ultimate project opportunities. Now come to the last topic, which is the pin configuration, and this is the most important topic among all the topic which I discuss. Pin configuration. Using right pins will ESP32 will operate in a good mode, but if you use wrong pins, it may damage our ESP32. So always remember that you have better knowledge of these pins before using ESP32. First pins are power pins. Let's discuss power pins. Here we can see there is 3V3 pin, which is a 3 volt pin, 3.3 volt. Here you can see we have VN pin. Here we give 5 volt supply power input pin, and you can see here and here we have two ground pins in this module. So we have total 1, 2, 3, 4 power pins in this microcontroller. These pins are used to power the board. These 4 pins are used only to power the board. Now come to the GPIO pins. GPIO stands for General Purpose Input Output Pins. GPIO stands for General Purpose Input Output Pins. GPIO, these pins are used for LED control, these pins are used for LED control, relay control, sensor input, and many more. The most common GPIO pins are 2, 4, 5, 12, 13, 14, 15, 18, 19, 21, 22, 23, 25, 26, 27, 32, and 33. These are the GPIO pins. Here lots of numbers written, but it may happen that you have not all these pins. So the pins which are not available in your board, neglect this. Only select the pins which are available in your board, and these are the GPIO pins. Now come to the third pin configuration, which is analog input pins. These pins are used to read analog sensor like potentiometer, LDR. LDR stands for light dependent resistor, and gas sensor. Common ADC pins are common pins are 32, 33, 34, 35, 36, and 39. These are the common analog input pins. The fourth pin configuration is PWM pins. PWM stands for pulse width modulation. PWM is used for motor speed control, servo control, etc. Most ESP32 pin support PWM. Fifth is I2C pins. I2C is a type of communication protocol which ESP32 used, and the I2C pins are used for LCD, MPU 6050 gyroscope sensor, and OLED display. The default pins of default I2C pins are GPIO 21 and GPIO 22. These are the default I2C pins. So these are the pin configuration of the ESP32 module. Here I have given a short component description. Here you can see this is USB power jack which is connected to your laptop. This is enable pin which is used to restart the program. This is 117C IC which act as voltage regulator. We give 5 volt supply to the ESP32 module from laptop, and this IC convert 5 volt supply to 3.3 volt. This is the main chip, ESP32 chip, and here you can see two LEDs, and these are the pins. This is the boot button. When we upload code, we have to press this boot button. So friends, today we learn about introduction to ESP32 module, features, uses, and complete pin configuration. ESP32 is one of the best board for learning embedded system, IoT, and robotics. If you are an engineering student or beginner, definitely start learning ESP32. If you like this video, then share and subscribe for more electronics and project videos. Thanks for watching.